Ever scrolled through endless DIY tutorials, feeling overwhelmed by all the tools everyone says you must have? You're not alone. The internet is full of recommendations, but the truth is, many of those must-haves are actually nice-to-haves. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We'll explore 7 highly recommended DIY tools, but we're going to reveal which 3 are truly essential for almost any beginner or homeowner, and which 4 you can probably hold off on, saving you space, money, and frustration. Our goal? To help you build a foundational toolkit that empowers you to tackle common household projects with confidence without breaking the bank or cluttering your garage. Let's dive in. First up on our recommended but not essential list is the miter saw. This powerhouse tool is fantastic for making incredibly precise crosscuts and angled cuts in wood, perfect for trim work, picture frames, or building decks. If you're undertaking a major renovation involving lots of cutting at specific angles, it's a dream. However, for the average DIYer just starting out, a miter saw is a significant investment, both in cost and the space it occupies. Most beginner projects won't demand its specific precision, and you can achieve excellent results with a good quality handsaw or even a circular saw paired with a guide for a fraction of the price and storage. Save this one for when you're consistently doing projects that truly require its specialized capabilities. Next, we have the power washer. There's no denying the satisfaction of blasting away years of grime from a driveway, deck, or siding with a powerful stream of water. It makes quick work of dirty surfaces and can truly transform the look of your home's exterior. But for everyday maintenance, or if you're not tackling large, heavily soiled outdoor areas regularly, a power washer often sits dormant. They can be expensive, bulky to store, and if used improperly, can actually damage softer surfaces like wood or stucco. For general cleaning, a good quality garden hose nozzle, a stiff scrub brush, and some appropriate cleaning solutions will get most jobs done effectively without the added cost or risk. It's a great tool for specific heavy-duty cleaning tasks, but not a fundamental requirement for most DIY efforts. Our third recommended but not essential tool is the random orbital sander. This power tool is a fantastic way to achieve a silky smooth finish on wooden surfaces, quickly removing material and leaving a swirl-free surface thanks to its unique sanding pattern. If you're refinishing furniture regularly or preparing large surfaces for painting or staining, it's a huge time saver. However, for smaller projects, touch-ups, or if you're just getting started with basic repairs, a simple sanding block or even just sheets of sandpaper can do the job perfectly well. You might spend a little more time, but you'll save on the initial investment and the need for another power tool. A random orbital sander is an upgrade for efficiency and finish quality, but not a basic necessity to get started. Finally, for this section, we have the oscillating multi-tool. This tool is often called the Swiss Army knife of power tools, and for good reason. With its interchangeable heads, it can cut, sand, scrape, and grind in incredibly tight and awkward spaces where other tools simply can't reach. It's incredibly versatile for specific renovation tasks like cutting out drywall, trimming door jambs, or removing old grout. While undeniably useful, the multi-tool excels at specialized tasks. For many general DIY projects, you can often achieve similar results using more basic tools like a jab saw for drywall, a chisel for scraping, or a detail sander. It's a fantastic addition to an already established toolkit. But it's not the first tool you should grab when building your initial setup. Consider it a smart acquisition once you frequently encounter those tricky, tight spot challenges. So, we've covered 4 highly recommended tools that, while excellent, you can comfortably live without as a beginner. Now let's shift gears and reveal the 3 tools that are truly non-negotiable. The bedrock of any DIY journey. These are the tools that will empower you to tackle a vast majority of common household tasks. The first truly essential tool, without a shadow of a doubt, is the cordless drill/driver. If you buy one power tool, make it this one. This isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. From assembling flat pack furniture in minutes, to hanging shelves, installing curtain rods, or even just opening a stubborn battery compartment, a cordless drill/driver will be your most frequently used and invaluable tool. It drills holes, drives screws, and with the right attachments can even mix paint. The cordless nature means you can take it anywhere without wrestling with extension cords. Invest in a reputable brand with at least an 18-volt battery system, and consider getting an extra battery and a good set of various drill and driver bits. This tool will save you countless hours of manual labor and make almost any project significantly easier. Our second essential tool is something so basic yet so fundamentally critical: a good tape measure. You cannot do any DIY project accurately without one. The old adage, measure twice, cut once exists for a reason, and it saves you from costly mistakes and frustrating do-overs. Whether you're figuring out where to hang a picture, cutting a piece of wood, determining if new furniture will fit, or spacing out cabinet pulls, precise measurements are paramount. Don't underestimate the importance of a reliable tape measure. Look for one with clear, easy-to-read markings, a sturdy case, and a strong, stiff blade that can extend a good distance without collapsing. An auto-locking feature is also incredibly handy. This simple tool will be used in virtually every single project, big or small, and there's simply no substitute for its function. And rounding out our essential trio, we have a basic screwdriver set. Even with your fantastic new cordless drill/driver, there will be countless instances where a manual screwdriver is the perfect or even the only tool for the job. From tightening a loose cabinet hinge to assembling delicate electronics or simply opening battery compartments on toys and remotes, screwdrivers are ubiquitous. You absolutely need both Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers in a few different sizes. These tools offer precision, control, and torque that a power drill might not always provide, especially for smaller or more delicate fasteners. Look for sets with comfortable, ergonomic handles and magnetic tips for added convenience. A good set of screwdrivers will quickly become indispensable in your daily life, not just your DIY projects. So there you have it. Of the many tools everyone talks about, your three truly essential starting points are a cordless drill/driver, a reliable tape measure, and a comprehensive basic screwdriver set. These three tools form the foundation of a capable DIY toolkit, enabling you to confidently tackle a vast majority of common household repairs and projects. Start with these, master their use, and then as your projects evolve and your skills grow, consider adding those more specialized tools like the miter saw or oscillating multi-tool. Investing smartly in your tools means investing in your skills and the longevity of your home. What are your go-to essential DIY tools? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more practical DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and happy building!